Hey, I hope you're having an absolutely incredible day. Today I wanted to run you through this very cool AI editing tool that's called submagic.co. And essentially I was looking for a tool that I'd be able to edit my short form content videos. So right now I have news posts. I talk about the news and the latest and greatest. And all of this is managed with AI systems. So high level overview of what happens is I have a no code automation that fetches news. I take the news article that I want to talk about, it does more research for me, and then outputs a script. And then I have a AI clone of myself. So this isn't actually me, it's a clone that I feed a script, and then it outputs and it sounds like me. So I can just feed it unlimited script ideas, and then I pull it into this software. I just upload it and I click magic B-rolls and it generates all the B-rolls for me, as well as all of these. So chatting, it'll put in the chatting emoji, great grandfather, it'll put in the grandfather emoji, mourners crying emoji, so on and so forth. And just to show you the power of this, I wanted to showcase this video for you right now. So here's the video, enjoy.
Ever thought about chatting with your great grandfather through AI? Welcome to the future. Some mourners are now interacting with AI versions of their deceased loved ones. It's groundbreaking, but it also sparks debate on grief and whether we're turning digital immortality into a business. Sounds like something out of Black Mirror. So, is this a heartwarming way to keep memories alive, or just a sci-fi twist on saying goodbye? What do you think?
So you can see incredibly powerful, and everything was pretty much generated for me, right? So if we hop into Airtable and we click on AI News, I have another video breaking this down. So I'm not going to go super into detail on this, but I will show you quickly how this is set up. So I'm kind of chaining together a few different softwares. I'm using Airtable, I'm using Make, and I'm using HeyGen. So Airtable is where the information is stored, the scripts, etc. Make is the no-code tool that I'm using, and then HeyGen is the AI avatar clone that I'm using. So essentially what is happening, I aggregate a bunch of news. So breaking AI news, content creator news, AI tools, best practices, marketing strategies. They all have slightly different prompts. See, this one is fetching news from Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, OpenAI, Google, etc. And content creator, etc., etc. It pulls that all into Airtable, into the notes section. I, get this tailored list of news that I can read and stay informed within AI. And then let's say in this case, I really liked this specific news article. I thought it was cool, something that is worth speaking about. So then I would copy that. I'd bring it into the AI news short form content. I paste it in right here. I flip it into create short form content, and then I have a script that triggers, which will create the transcript. It'll create the post description, and it'll create the thumbnail prompt. And then I could flip this into create thumbnail, and it'll create my thumbnail for my video. So that's pretty much what's going on. And then I copy this script into HeyGen, which is what you see here. It creates the video for me, and I download that. I bring it into Submagic. I go to B-rolls, magic B-rolls, and then boom, I have this super captivating video that would normally take, think about it. I had to do the research, find the news article that was worth speaking about. I had to create the transcript and what I would actually say in the video so that it's captivating, and it's following a specific format, which is hook, the content, the main points, and then question to generate engagement. And then I would have to shoot that video, and then after that video is shot, I would have to edit that video. And literally I think this took me like 15 minutes to do instead of what could have probably taken hours. So I just wanted to show you this cool tool, show you a bit of the background of like the chain of softwares that I'm using in order to create this and maximize my time and my output. So I hope you did get immense value out of this, and that is all. Hope you have an incredible day. If you did get value, if you could drop a like and a subscribe, it allows me to continue making videos like this and would really help support out the channel. Other than that, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.